Let's see how the gold has done yesterday. The price has formed a bullish candle going from this area of support 3945.63, and it has reached the middle point between this area of resistance and this area of support. It is a bullish candle where the price has retraced, and in the 4-hour time frame we can see that the price has started yesterday to rise in value, and it has risen all the way to 3977.36, a 4-hour time frame resistance level. If you have watched yesterday's analysis, I have mentioned that I am expecting the price will make a bullish breakout, reaching this area of very close to this area of resistance 3977.36. This was yesterday around this area here, where the price was at 3960.31, a resistance level on the 1-hour time frame. The price continued to rise in value. We can see that in the 2 hours the price has reached this area of resistance and bouncing from this area, so returning back down to this area of support, and during the day the price was going up and down between this area support and resistance, and finally in the afternoon yesterday the price formed a bullish breakout going above 3977.36. A bullish breakout has been formed and the price has reached very close to 3990. From here the price has returned back down, returning back up again, and currently it is at very close to this level, which was the highest price level yesterday. Now what we can expect today, what can happen. Currently I have informed traders yesterday, it is still open a trade, that I am expecting that the price will reach this area of resistance around 4014. This is information I have sent inside the premium analysis. If you would like to join to receive these updates during the day, feel free to check the link below in the description. And you can see currently what we have here on the 4-hour time frame. It is a bullish pin bar formed right here at the support level, which is again increasing the chances of the prices reaching high price levels. It is a bullish candle formation that is pointing to the higher price levels. So I'm expecting the price will reach today this area of resistance around 4014. How fast and how quickly will that be? It depends how the market will react. For now, what I can see, we have a bullish candle that has been formed. It is also a bullish pin bar right here at the resistance level, so I'm not giving too much strength to this area or to this candle. But after that the price formed a bullish breakout, which is a strong one, and we can see currently the price has formed again bullish candle, which has closed at this price level. So currently we need another bullish candle on the 1-hour time frame that will close above this area of resistance. It is a small resistance, we can see that here, which will allow the price to reach higher price levels, and we can see that the next level where the price for sure should reach is 3994. This is on the 1-hour time frame. It is a lower time frame current target. So I'm expecting currently that the price will reach this area of resistance. It is around 399.19, the next resistance level that needs to be broken in order to reach higher price levels, and that means 4014. So first of all, I would like to get here a bullish breakout that will continue to rise in value. I am currently bullish oriented today because of this small trend on the 1-hour time frame. We can see the price was returning back down, reaching higher price levels, returning back down. Now it is trying to reach again higher price levels. So this is scenario as a bullish trend, a small one on the 1-hour time frame that is trying to reach higher price levels. On the 4-hour time frame, I have said already that I have a bullish pin bar formed here at this area of support, suggesting further rise in value. So this is also adding more strength that the price will reach higher price levels. The daily time frame do not show too much information because these candles information do not point in any of the directions. The price is in between the area of resistance, this area of support. There is no bullish or bearish breakouts. There is no candle formation. So it is nothing worthy that I could use to predict where the price could go. But lower time frames like 4-hour time frame is pointing to the higher price levels, and 1-hour time frame is currently showing this area as 3994 as the next target. Feel free to check the link below and join other traders if you would like to receive the updates during the day. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.